Hello guys, good to be with you again. Me and Polina here as usual. My wife is doing makeup again with a client. So we're here to cook another very special food. I'm very excited, Polina is very excited. So let's start and we'll show you step by step everything, okay? It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be unusual and very tasty. Let's go. So what we have over here is 1.5 cup of warm water. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 bags of yeast. Now we're gonna whisk it and leave it for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna take 500 grams of flour and sift it. Now we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of salt. Alright, 10 minutes passed by for our yeast. We're gonna add it to the flour. Now that we mix our dough, we're gonna put on the cover of the oil bottle. Approximately, I would say it's maybe like 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix. Alright, now we're gonna spray a little bit for the dough not to get stuck. Leave our dough inside, cover it, and we're gonna leave it approximately 1.5 hours in a warm place. Now we're gonna start the fire. Alright guys, what we're cooking today is Cornish hen with some mushrooms, peppers, cherry tomatoes, young potatoes of course, and some dill and garlic. Put the pot. So let's add oil. We're gonna give a nice golden color to our potatoes, chicken, mushrooms before we're gonna cook it for a little longer. Now we're gonna put the first bunch of our potatoes to give it a nice golden color. Alright, the first bunch of potatoes, you see the color? Perfect. That's how you need them to be. Let's put the second one right now. Alright, let's take the second bunch of our potatoes. Now we're gonna put mushrooms just to make it also nice golden color. Our mushroom is ready. Now we're gonna put our chicken, also give it a nice golden color. Now that we give a nice golden color to our chicken, we're gonna take it out. Look how beautiful, look how pretty our chicken is, look at that. Oh my god, it smells so good for me. Alright, let's take our chicken out. Now we're gonna take majority of our oil out. How do you think our dough is doing?
I'm so excited to see it. I think it's gonna be beautiful.
And it's doing good?
I think it's doing really good.
We're gonna leave just a drop of oil. Okay, so this much oil we're gonna leave. Now we're gonna put back our chicken. A lot of chicken, a lot of chicken. You're gonna add salt. Approximately this much for now. And then we're gonna taste it. If we need more, we add more. Black pepper. And approximately this much cumin. Crush them. Put all over the place. 2 cups of boiling water. Mix it up a little bit, nice and gentle, because you don't want to crush the chicken. Our beautiful chicken. Oh, looking good. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it first cook the same way as this, is at least like 20 minutes to 25 minutes before we're gonna add the potatoes and the mushroom and everything else. Okay, so let's cover it right now. Approximately 25 minutes to half an hour passed by. Now we're gonna add the potatoes. You wanna come show them how good it looks inside? Man, it smells amazing. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh my god, it smells so good. Can you smell it?
It smells amazing.
It smells good. Now we're gonna add the potatoes all over the place. Look how pretty it looks. You're not supposed to mix it, just leave it like this, okay? Now the mushrooms. And we're gonna let it go for another half an hour. Then we have to add tomatoes. cherry tomatoes and peppers, but we're gonna add this thing approximately maybe like 10 minutes before it's done, okay? So let's cover it and let it go for another half an hour. Alright guys, 20 minutes passed by since we put the potatoes. Let's see what's going on. Oh, looking good. Polina, how does it smell?
It smells so amazing.
So now what we're gonna put is our peppers. They usually cook fast, so that's why you have to wait before you put them in. Our cherry tomatoes. See those cherry tomatoes? Beautiful color tomatoes. This is good. Another 15 minutes. You should be ready. Not ready all the way because we have a surprise coming up, right, Pauline?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Looking good otherwise, no,
It
Pauline?
looks amazing. I love the colors.
Good. What my Pauline made me wear. I usually use napkin, but it's okay. I listened to her this time. Okay, let's see our food. Oh, baby, look at this. Our food is ready. Okay, so let's go. Plate the food. And we'll show you how it looks on the plate. Nice and beautiful and tasty and delicious. As you can see, the food is ready. Looks beautiful. And guess what? Our dough also ready. Nice and puffy. Now we're gonna open it up. Okay, now put a little flour over here. Take our dough out. Wow, so nice. Oh, baby. Wow, nice looking dough. I tell you. Okay, now we're gonna open it. We're gonna have to make it nice and thin. Okay guys, now what we do is we cover the whole thing with our dough. Just like that. See? Beautiful. Okay, we press the edge, guys, to make it stuck. Cut all the leftover ones. Now we're gonna separate the egg. Yellow in one spot. That's it. Okay, let's mix it and put all over. Now we're gonna put our sesame seeds. Look at this beauty, Pauline. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
And we're gonna go bake it outside in our barbecue for approximately, I would say, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. We'll see how long it takes. We'll let you know. But so far it looks good. Our delicious food is right in there. Pauline, what do you think? That's enough or more?
A bit more.
Yeah, there's a lot of this. So. Let's go and put it inside our barbecue to bake it for approximately 25 minutes. I'm gonna chop a little bit dill and garlic to put on top of the food when it's ready. And now I'm gonna cut some red onion, nice and circle, thin slice. Guys, you wanna see what this thing looks like? This amazing looking thing. Me and Polina sitting and talking how beautiful this piece is, and I like to share it with you. Watch, watch. You ready to open? Should I open? Should I show it to them? Look how beautiful this thing looks like. And we have our delicious food inside this thing. Now we're gonna take it out in about like 2 minutes from now. Oh man, looking so good, right, Pauline?
It looks amazing.
And we'll see what's going on inside. And it should look amazing. I cannot wait to taste it, Pauline, aren't you?
Me too.
Do you really want to cut it or we just leave it like that?
I wish
and
we
don't
could just
open
leave it.
Okay, see you in about 2 minutes. Oh baby, guys, our delicious, very special. What a presentation, huh, Pauline? Can you
It
imagine?
looks incredible.
It's done, so we're gonna turn it off. Should definitely try this thing at home. Can you imagine you put next to your guests such a presentive dish? Oh baby, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. food is ready. Me and Polina spent over here a few good hours. We had the best experience. Now we're very, very excited to see what's going on inside. Okay, so everything is ready. We're about to cut it. But before, we're just gonna put a drip of water on top to soften the top. Okay, just a drop. That's it. Now we're ready to cut it. Are you ready, Pauline?
I'm so ready.
Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty, Pauline. Are you here, Pauline?
I'm here.
Pauline, are you ready to testing?
I'm so ready. Look at how cool this looks.
Now a little greenery on top with garlic and dill and fresh onion. Food is ready. It is freezing outside.
So cold.
But it looks amazing, right, Pauline?
It looks, honestly, I think one of the best foods you made.
Yes, it is. And there's more best food to come. Just keep watching. Okay, guys, it's very cold, so we're gonna do it nice and quick. Pauline, you wanna go? Do a nice, good tasting.
I see a little leg popping out, so I'm gonna take the leg.
Seriously, that's our favorite part.
And then, hold on. And then a potato, of course.
Tell me, how is it? Tell me what's your mother missing.
Oh my god, it is amazing. It is still so moist, so flavorful. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Let me just try the potato. It's really hot.
Okay, guys, let me do the testing right now. I'm gonna go first for the potatoes.
The potatoes are incredible.
Wow, my fork is
It's
so
freezing.
cold. Oh my god, Pauline.
So good, right?
Tastes amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the leg also, just like Paulina did. Look at this thing, it's falling apart. Let me take a piece of onion. And tomatoes, of course. The little cherry tomatoes. And mushroom.
Ooh, let me get a mushroom too.
It's amazing. I call this thing baby chicken. What's the name again?
Cornish hen.
Delicious.
Everything
right?
is so delicious, so good, so moist, incredible.
Guys, it's freezing. Definitely you should try this thing at home. This is one of the most amazing dish I really cooked in a while. Pleasure being with you. Pauline, you want to finish it off?
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it everywhere that you can. And don't forget to follow us on all of our pages. That will be linked down below. And don't forget to follow us on our jewelry page, of course. And I think that's it, right?
And pleasure being with you. Thank you again for all your very, very nice comment. Keep watching. There's a lot of good food gonna come out soon. Try this thing at home. This is amazing, amazing looking dish. And please, if you need anything, you can always find me at 23 West 47th Street, LB Diamond. If you need jewelry, that's where you can find me. Pleasure being with you. Stay safe, guys. Hope to see you next time.
Bye.
Salute.